Hello everyone. Let us discuss session 5 of Financial Accounting 3 Unit 1. In this session, we are going to discuss the important problems on sacrifice ratio and new ratio. In the previous session, I have already explained you the important cases by which a sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio will be calculated. Here I am going to take up two live examples on the basis of which you can understand the calculation of sacrifice ratio and the new profit sharing ratio easily and quickly. Now, the problems on calculation of sacrifice ratio is given in the books or that appear in the examination that need to be solved, and you have to understand the different cases under which sacrifice ratio will be calculated, and you should also need to know the different cases under which the new profit sharing ratio should be used. Usually in the examination, a full problem will come. In that full problem, they may have any case of sacrifice ratio or any case applicable to the new profit sharing ratio. There is nothing like that only one method of sacrifice ratio will come or one method of calculation of new ratio will come. It is left to the discretion of the paper setter. It is left to the discretion of the person who is creating the problem or the person who is constructing the problem. They may decide, but you must be ready for solving any type of problem by using the calculation of sacrifice ratio and the new profit sharing ratio. Now here I am going to take up two important illustrations together. Here Rajiv and Sanjeev are partners in the partnership firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2 respectively. They admit Vijay as a new partner. Rajiv surrenders 1/4 of his share and Sanjeev surrenders 1/3 of his share in favor of Vijay. Now calculate the profit sharing ratio of Rajiv, Sanjeev and Vijay. Now try to understand what type of case it is. Here in this case, Rajiv and Sanjeev are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. In the sense, old ratio is already given. They admit Vijay as a new partner. Here Vijay is admitted and you are supposed to calculate the sacrifice ratio here. You are supposed to calculate the sacrifice ratio here. This is a problem relating to the sacrifice ratio. And Raju surrenders 1/4 of his share to Sanjay, to the new partner. Raju surrenders 1/4 of his share to Vijay, in the sense new partner, and Sanjeev surrenders 1/3 of his share to Vijay. Now we have to calculate the sacrifice ratio. We have to calculate the sacrifice ratio. Now let us try to understand this problem clearly. Here you see the old profit sharing ratio of Raju and Sanjeev is 3:2. Now share given by Raju to Vijay means he is giving a proportion of his profit to Vijay. That means here out of 3/5, in the sense out of 3/5 profit, out of 3/5 profit, what Rajiv has, in that he is giving 1/4 share to Vijay. That means 3/5 multiplied by 1/4 is equal to 3/20 is a sacrifice made by Rajiv to Vijay. Then share given by Sanjeev to Vijay will be Sanjeev's share, that means 2/5 into his contribution, that is 1/3, that will be 2/15. So the new share of Raju, here new share of Raju will be 3/5 minus his contribution. Here 3/5 minus his contribution, that is 9/20. The new share of Sanjeev will be 2/5 minus his contribution, that will be 4/15. So share of Vijay will be 3/20 plus 2/15, that will be 17/60. So if you go for calculating the new ratio, if you are intending to prepare the new ratio or calculate the new ratio will be 27:16:17. This is the new profit sharing ratio for the illustration of Vijay, Rajiv, Sanjeev and Vijay. Now let us go through one more illustration. Anita and Sunita are partners in the firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2 respectively. Here their profit sharing ratio is given. They admit Vinita as a new partner for 1/4 share. The new profit sharing ratio between Anita and Sunita will be 2:1. Now calculate the sacrifice ratio. Here you see the old ratio is given, that is 3:2 is given. Then Vinita's share is given, that is 1/4 is the Vinita's share. Then the new profit sharing ratio is given, that is 2:1. And on the basis of that, you have to calculate the sacrifice ratio. Now let us try to solve this problem. Here old profit sharing ratio of Anita and Sunita Here the old profit sharing ratio of Anita and Sunita is 3:2. Now Vinita is admitted to 1/4 share. Here to understand, when Vinita is admitted, when Vinita is getting 1/4 share, we need to find out what is the remaining share. Here what's the remaining share is needed mainly because whatever may be the remaining share, that will be shared by the old partners. So first of all, we should know what is actually the remaining share, and then we can go for calculating their respective shares. So the remaining share will be 1 minus 1/4, that is 3/4 will be the remaining share. In that remaining share, we have to go to the calculating Anita's share. Here Anita's new share will be 3/4, that is the remaining share, into 2/3, that's the old ratio. That means 2/4 will be Anita's share. Then Sunita's share will be, new share will be 3/4, that's remaining share, into her share, that is 1/3, then it will be 1/4. So new profit sharing ratio will be calculated by using the new profit sharing ratio is equal to 2:3:1. Here sacrificing ratio of Anita is old share minus new share. Here you see, you can calculate sacrifice ratio after calculating the new ratio, because if you know old ratio, if you know new ratio, then it's very simple that old ratio minus sacrifice is equal to new ratio, or old ratio minus new ratio is equal to sacrifice ratio.